We're going to Terry Black's, y'all. So, y'all, before we get into it, I'm so mad. Tell me why we get all the way to the restaurant. I look down at my feet, and guess what? I left my shoes at home. Y'all, I didn't have no shoes on my feet. How did I forget my shoes? So, y'all, here's a couple of items that we did order: macaroni and cheese, Mexican corn, and potato salad. And the Pepsi for my husband, of course. I got water. We did get the beef rib, and oh my God. That rib did cost us $100, but baby, it was well worth it for the beef rib. I'm gonna taste this Mexican corn, and oh my God, it just was so good and sweet. I'm gonna also taste the potato salad, because potato salad was amazing as well, surprisingly. I'm tasting the macaroni and cheese. Their macaroni and cheese is a hit or miss. Today was definitely a miss, but I still ate it because I paid a nice penny for it. I'm going to also try the brisket, because the brisket, the fatty part, be the best. It just melt in my mouth. So I'm going to also try the beef rib. Oh my God, I love Texas barbecue. Y'all, let's a close up on macaroni and cheese. That was good. That was good. The Mexican corn, the potato salad was actually very good, surprisingly. The beef rib, and let's not forget the brisket.
Don't forget to like, comment, and
subscribe
down below.